In a big breakthrough, India-China seek early solution to boundary delimitation. The announcement was made after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, taking the first big steps to reset the entire trajectory of bilateral relations. India and China have decided to work on a settlement of the boundary question, and an expert group will be set up to explore an early solution to boundary delimitation. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, the Ministry of External Affairs of India issued a statement and said that the two sides have also agreed to resume the direct flight at the earliest and increase the scale of Indian pilgrimage to Mount Kailash and Lake Mansarovar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in China, and the two sides also agreed to the reopening of border trade through the three designated points, Lippo Lake Pass, Siplika and Nathula. The India-China relationship hit low after Galwan clash in 2022. And the latest development came in the wake of US President Donald Trump's announcement of 25% tariffs on India and additional 25% levy for buying Russian oil. The US-China have also faced off over tariffs. Mr. Doval and Mr. Wang Yi, who are the country's special representatives on the boundary question, held the 24th round of the SR dialogue. The two sides spoke positively of the progress made in the implementation of the important leader-labor consensus in Kazan. The two sides share the view that peace and tranquility has been maintained in the Indo-China border area since the 23rd SR talks. They reiterated the importance of maintaining peace in border areas to promote overall development of India-China bilateral relationship. The two special representatives agreed to setting up an expert group under working mechanism for consultation and coordination on India-China border affairs for early boundary delimitation. Meeting between two foreign ministers, both sides agreed that a stable, cooperative and forward-looking relationship is in mutual interest of the two countries to realize their development potential fully. Chinese side welcomed Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's attendance at Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit in China. Indian side also reaffirmed its support to China's SCO presidency with fruitful outcomes, adding that the two countries agreed to support each other in hosting diplomatic events including BRICS Summit in 2026 in India and 2027 Summit in China.